Hello students, welcome to Softwares classes. Today we will be solving the electrical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We will be solving the engineering maths portion of the paper. Today we will be starting off with question number 2. In question number 2 it has been said that the value of the directional derivative of the function phi of xyz equal to xy square plus yz square plus zx square at the point 2, -1 and 1 in the direction of the vector p equal to I plus 2j plus 2k is given by option A 1, option B 0.95, option C 0.93 and option D 0.9. So these are the four options. So what we have been given is that phi of xyz is given by xy square plus yz of square plus zx square. So this is phi. So therefore gradient of phi is given by I del phi by del x, j into del phi by del y and k into del phi upon del z. So this is the gradient of phi. So therefore this is equal to I into y square plus 2xz j into twice of xy plus z square plus k into twice of yz plus of x square. So this will give us at the point 2, -1 and 1 is equal to I into 1 plus 4 plus j into -4 plus 1 plus k into -2 plus 4, and this will be equal to 5i minus 3j plus twice of k. Now we know that p is equal to the vector p is equal to I cap plus 2j plus 2k. So that implies that the magnitude of p, which is equal to p, that will be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4, that will be equal to root over 9, that will be equal to 3. So therefore the directional derivative of phi xyz at the point 2, -1 and 1 in the direction of p is given by at the point p into p vector by magnitude of p. So this will be equal to 5i minus 3j plus twice of k into dot product, this is dot product, I plus 2j plus 2k by 3. So this will be equal to 5 minus 6 plus 4 by 3, which will be equal to 1, and which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 2 from the engineering mathematics portion of electrical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Softwares classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.